Mga bata. Pwede po bang itaas yung mga bata? Ayan. Ayan po. Ayun, nandun. Ayan. Palakpakan natin yung mga bata. Thank you. Salamat po mga magulang for bringing the children to God and for accepting children from God. Please don't forget, one of the purposes of marriage is procreation. Ipagpatuloy po ang lahi. Welcome the children. There are some who don't want to bear children anymore. Please don't forget, every child is a gift from God. Mga kapatid, today, mayroon kanina, yung bang katabi mo mukhang bata pa ba yan? Yun. O isip bata. Muntik nang tinaas kanina yung mister. Mga kapatid, today, may I ask all to remember our childhood. Kumusta ang childhood mo? And when you remember your childhood, remember your parents.